your knowledge will be upgraded.
I pull up with a cube, yeah, the grid's all tight. Green glow on the plastic, got that Borg inside. You solve them with your CF5, think you elite. Always scan your algs, now your method obsolete. Cross on the bottom, yeah, we seen that move. F2L pairs, we already improved. O, L, 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 A, L, L, L. All stored in the hive, every single algorithm, yeah, we digitize. You turn in that TPS, think you're fast with the hands, but we process solutions you don't understand. Inspection time now, we don't need that phase. We predict, just scramble before it's displayed. Resistance is futile, we solved it as one. Your PB just dropped cause the hype just begun. From scrambled to solved in a fraction of time. Assimilate your method, now your cube is mine. Resistance is futile, don't fight the code. We optimize and solve every step, every mode. You thought you were fast, but you just got schooled. Welcome to the board, welcome to the cube. Memorizing outs, we become the outs. Every rotation mapped, every path evolved. No lockups, no bars, there's no hesitation. We eliminate flaws, perfect execution. Call it twist, nah, we correct that state. Parody errors, we annihilate. Finger tricks clean, but we clean the steel. You practice 4 years, we download the skill. Speed cube spinning, but it's glowing green. Make bleb in the core with the silent machine. Your loop set up smooth, yeah, that's kinda nice. Let me reduce friction to a quantum slice. You chasing sub 10, we beyond that tier. Sub 1 solutions every time appear. No AOF needed, no grip delay. We execute perfection every single way. Color neutrality, we don't pick a side. Every face is off from the Borg inside. White cross, yellow cross, it don't even matter. We collapse to scramble like antimatter. Resistance is futile, we solving as one. Your records fall quick when the high's begun. From chaos to order in one clean sweep. Assimilation complete, no need to repeat. You will be optimized. Your cube is solved. The collective is faster, my nation.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my, yeah. Yeah. Twisting and turning with my hands in the dance. Every little move got me lost in a trance. Colors align as I rhyme and I align. This Rubik's Cube, Johnny truly one of a kind. PB, I'm feeling fly. Watch me fly. Achieve my best, now I'm feeling a lead. With every single twist, I can't accept defeat. A cakewalk vibe, flowing free like the breeze. Rubik's Cube magic, bringing me to my knees. No sweat, easy peasy, yeah, that's how I roll. Mixing colors like a painter with a vivid soul. Sweet as cherry pie, yeah, I savor the treat. Piece of cake, child's play, I'm feeling the beat. Like ABC, I got the key, can't you see? Achieve my best, now I'm feeling a lead. Yeah. Every single twist, I can't accept defeat. Yeah. A cakewalk vibe, flowing free like the breeze. Rubik's Cube magic, bringing me to my knees. No. With one hand tied, I'm still on track. This journey's a rhythm, ain't no looking back.
Like taking candy from a baby, felt like shooting fish in a barrel with one hand tied behind my back. Cakewalk, I achieved my personal best in the Rubik's Cube. No sweat,
No sweat.
easy peasy lemon squeezy, as cherry pie. Piece of cake, a walk in the park, child's play, as easy as ABC. Like taking candy from a baby, felt like shooting fish in a barrel with one hand tied behind my back. Cakewalk, I achieved my personal best in a Rubik's Cube. No sweat,
No sweat.
easy peasy lemon squeezy, as cherry pie. Piece of cake, a walk in the park, child's play, as easy as ABC. Like taking candy from a baby, from like shooting fish in a barrel with one hand tied behind my back. Cakewalk, I achieved my personal best in the Rubik's Cube. No sweat,
No sweat.
easy peasy lemon squeeze, as cherry pie.
I'm lacing up my shoes, feeling every beat. Got my heart racing fast, can't accept defeat. White cross on my mind, I won't let it slip. Got my eyes on the prize with a steady grip. One layer at a time, it's my only goal. Here we go, it's my time to shine. A puzzle in hand and I'm feeling so fine. I'll race through the colors, I'm breaking away. Walk into the class, nerves rise like the sun. This Rubik's Cube competition, man, I gotta run. Fingers twitching while I'm hoping I can shine. Solve it layer by layer, take it one step at a time. White cross, I'm aiming high. Don't forget my name, I'm here to play. Ready to win this game. I'm ready to solve, I'm ready to win. Got this fire inside, let the magic begin. One layer at a time, watch how I soar. In the speed cube battle, I'm ready for more. Clock's ticking, hear the peeps, adrenaline's in my veins. F2L and OLL, I'm breaking through the chains. Scramble set, now it's my moment, hear the cheers. With every twist and turn, I'm conquering my fears. They call my number, it's my time to rise. Face the cube, see the victory in these eyes. I'm ready to solve, I'm ready to win. Got this fire inside, let the magic begin. One layer at a time, watch how I soar. In the speed cube battle, I'm ready for more. Here I go, it's my time to shine. Watch how I'm ready to
When your cube is feeling scratchy and your turn is kinda slow, there's a trick that all the speed cubers already know. How to drop a silky lube and watch your TPS grow. Now your solves are getting faster, here we go. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Even though the scramble looks atrocious, with the regular UV coating, oh, it's glossy, smooth, and ferocious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Make up splings and corner cutting, make it glide without a sound. Bulk locks your layers in so nothing slows you down. Finger tricks are snappy as you have to just come down. PB's dropping every time you come around. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Your transitions now are ultra precocious. From inspection to last layer, every move is clean and gorgeous. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. L pairs just flying at will. AUF and done, stop the clock, what a thrill. Sub 10, sub 9, you got the skill. Shine reflecting like a mirror in the lights, but so silky it just feels right. From casual soft to comp, they fight. You're climbing up the podium tonight. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Now you're turning powers down like vicious. With the Gonzo style performance, bold and white and oh so delicious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. When your cube is fast and shiny, man, that feeling is delicious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. When your cube is feeling scratchy and your turn's kinda slow, there's a trick that all the speed cubers already know. Add a drop of silky lube and watch your TPS grow. Now your solves are getting faster, here we go. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Even though the scramble looks atrocious with the fricty view, feet coating, oh it's glossy, smooth and ferocious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Megla springs and corner cutting make it glide without a sound. Bow locks your layers in so nothing slows you down. Finger tricks are snappy as your averages come down. PB's dropping every time you come around. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Your transitions now are ultra precocious. From inspection to last layer, every move is clean and gorgeous. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Oh, L-L-P-L-L-L. You know the drill. L-L. They're just flying at will. L-U-F. And don't stop the clock. What thrill? Sub 9. You got the skill. UV shine reflecting like a mirror in the light. Grippy but so silky. Yeah, it just feels right. From casual soft to Camouflage. You're climbing up the podium tonight. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. Now you're turning powers down right vicious. With the Gonzo style performance, bold and bright and oh so delicious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious. When your cube is fast and shiny, man, the feeling is delicious. Superlubrifragilisticcubetasticious.
Every single morning, with my cubes in hand, I'm grinding hard, don't you understand? Twisting, turning, mastering my aim. In this cubing world, I'm here to claim my fame. Focus on the moves, feel the groove, every twist and turn, yeah, I gotta improve. Practice, 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 hear the call. With determination, I won't let myself fall. Competition is tough, but I'm tougher still. Watch our world out, I'm climbing up the thrill. So when the lights go down at the big calm day, I'll be ready, I won't fade away. With every click and every clean song, the magic in my hands, watch the puzzles evolve. No distractions now, got to stay connected. Check it, my style's a puzzle, can't you see? Camouflage magic just for you and me. Twisting through the night, vibes in the air. If you wanna catch me, you gotta beware. Move to the beat, feel the groove unwind. Camouflage game, leaving the ordinary behind. So come on, baby, let's do the twist. In this game of hide and seek, you can't resist. My camouflage shines, but you can't see. Living in bliss, just you and me. Yeah, yeah. 2 by 2 we stepping, never in a straight line. Gorgeous in the skies, yeah, I'm feeling so divine. Lurking in the shadows, but I shine so bright. Come on, baby, let's turn this into the night. Whispers in the dark, secrets in the mist. Catch the vibe, it's a twist you don't wanna miss. So come on, baby, let's do a twist. In this game of hide and seek, you can't resist. My camouflage shines, but you can't see. Living in bliss, just you and me, yeah. Twisting through the magic, ain't no doubt. In this camouflage world, let the vibe
I'm on a mission with my speed cube, ready to race. High visibility, afraid to take no time to waste. Puzzle in my hand, solving in low lights embrace. DIY, hustle, I'm a master in this space. Tape up the edges, watch it shine bright.
With high visibility, reflecting the vibe. Speed cube blazing, let the world come alive. In the shadows we thrive, we conquer and strive. Do it yourself, this feels like a high five. Yeah,
Got my crew with me, we're flipping and twisting. Reflective magic on the surface, now we're glistening. Solving every challenge with a flick, we're insisting. DIY life, this is the path we're insisting.
In the art of solving, yeah. I'm bringing heat, crafting puzzles that you just can't beat. With geometric magic, let your mind unwind. Gonzo, Dodeka, one of a kind. So refined, now twist it, turn it, let the patterns flow. Unlock the mystery of what I sow. This is how I make my Gonzo Dodeka shine. With every twist and turn, it's a puzzle divine. From the past to the now, it's a unique tale. A handcrafted journey where creators prevail. Handmade with passion, each piece a delight. From ancient roots to the modern light. Speed cubers gather, let the challenge arise. This puzzle speaks to the heart and the wise. A conversation starter, on display it stands. Whispers of history crafted by my hands. This is how I make my Gonzo Dodeka shine. With every twist and turn, it's a puzzle divine. From the past to the now, it's a unique tale. A handcrafted journey where creators prevail. So here's to the craft, to the bond that we share. Gonzo Dodeka, a legacy we declare.
Yeah, we landed on the concrete streets. Towers rising up, hear the city beats. Came through the struggle, now we ride in style. Amtrak's out, but we'll make it worthwhile. We won't let a train bring us down. NYC, we're here, we own this town. We arrived at NYC, we did it. Spotlights on us, can you feel the spirit? We're here to conquer, we're here to grow. Let's make some memories, put on a show. On a bus through the city, the skyline shines, dreams in our pocket. Everything aligns from the Bronx to Brooklyn, we're here to play. The 10-man show, best believe we slay. With the cubicle supporting us tight. So nice tonight, we'll reach a new high. We arrived at NYC, we did it. Spotlights on us, can you feel the spirit? We're here to conquer, we're here to grow. Let's make some memories, put on a show. NYC vibes, we're living the dream. In the city that never sleeps, we reign supreme.
In the silence, whispers hum, the worlds collide. Cubes of light, reflections twist, a cosmic guide.
Veils of time unravel here with every sigh. Questions linger, fate awaits, touch the sky.
Unlock the unknown. Let the visions flow. that old secrets hide. Through the haze, the trail reveals where dreams bide. Curiosity, a flame that cannot wane. Each answer spins a tale, joy and pain.
Listen close, the oracle speaks in rhymes.
It's the Oracle Cube, where the future swirls. What lies ahead for every boy and girl? Ask the cube again. It seldom lies. Mysteries unfold under endless skies.
In the tube we find our way. Let the magic guide us night and day.
Yeah. Octahedron vibes. Gonzo style. Let's twist it. Yeah. Yeah. Octahedron vibes. Yeah, 8 faces, no squares, yeah, we breaking the norm. Not your average cube, this a whole new form. FTO spin, got the corners in sight. Start from the angles, yeah, I build it up right. No fixed centers, man, the logic gets flipped. Half scramble system, got the colors all split. 4 in the group, but they never touch sides. Non-adjacent orbits, yeah, the pattern divides. You think it's random? Not as method inside, gotta feel the flow. Let your intuition guide, turn at the turn. Let the pieces align, this ain't CFO. This a whole new grind. Twist the FTO, let it rotate clean. Octahedron keen, yeah, you know what I mean. Half scramble magic, color split in the dream. Solve it from the corners, keep your vision supreme. Twist the FTO, don't blink, don't stall. 8 sides moving, yeah, I'm solving them all. From chaos to order, watch the symmetry fall. FTO flow, yeah, answer the call. Corners first, yeah, that's how I attack. Build a structure up, never lose track. Edges fall in when the rhythm is tight. Every turn calculated, but it feeling so light. No hand-me-down method, gotta think on your feet. Every solve different, every pattern unique. You can't brute force this, gotta read what you see. It's a puzzle and a vibe, it's a mentality. From scramble to solve, this a journey you ride. Like a code in your hands, let the layers collide. Not a cube, it's a flex, it's a different dimension. FTO mindset, yeah, it's pure invention. Not 6 sides, 8 ways to win. Spin it once, now begin again. Split color world, but it all makes sense when you see that last turn. Pure suspense. Twist that FTO, let it rotate clean. Octahedron king, yeah, you know what I mean. Half scramble magic, color split in the dream. Solve it from the corners, keep your vision supreme. Yeah. From chaos to clean. That Octahedron gleam. Yeah. FTO, solve, yeah. Yeah, Octahedron vibes, Gonzo style, let's twist it. 8 faces, no squares, yeah, we breaking the norm. Not your average cube, it's a whole new form. FTO spin, got the corners in sight. Start from the angles, yeah, I build it up right. No fixed centers, man, the logic is flipped. Half scramble system, got the colors all split. 4 in the group, but they never touch size. Non-adjacent orbits, yeah, the pattern divides. You think it's random? Nah, there's method inside. Gotta feel the flow. Let your intuition buy turn after time. Let the pieces align. This ain't CFI, this a whole new grind. Twist that FTO, let it rotate clean. Octahedron king, yeah, you know what I mean. Half scramble magic, color splitting a dream. Solve it from the corners, keep your vision supreme. Twist that FTO, don't blink, don't stall. 8 sides moving, yeah, I'm solving them all. From chaos to order, watch the symmetry fall. FTO flow, yeah, I answer the call. Corners first, yeah, that's high attack. Build a structure up, never lose track. Edges falling when the rhythm is tight. Every turn calculated, but it feeling so light. No hand-me-down, never gotta think on your feet. Every saw different, every reading better unique. You can't brute forces, gotta read what you see. It's a puzzle in the vibe, it's a mentality. From the scramble to solve, it's a journey you ride. Like a code in your hands, let the layers collide. Not a cube, it's a flex, it's a different dimension. FTO mindset, yes, pure invention. Not 6 sides, 8 ways to win. Spinning once now, begin again. Slick color world, but it all makes sense when you see the last turn. Pure suspense, twist the FCO, let it rotate clean. Octahedron king, yes, you know what I mean. Half scramble magic, color split in a dream. Solve it from the corners, keep your vision supreme. Yeah. Chaos to clean, that Octahedron green. Yeah. Buried in the dust of a forgotten age. Bronze and stone on the hidden stage. 12 sides staring back at me. No map, no key, just mystery. Scholars get, legends lie. What's this shape they couldn't define? Centuries pass, the truth stays tight. Till now it's back in the light. No center to guide your way. Every move got something to say. Ancient hands, modern mind. This puzzle bends space and time. In a Gonzo, Dodeka, yeah. Old world, soul, new design. Turn it slow or race the time. 12 faces, no rewind. With a Gonzo, Dodeka. History locked in a span. Crack the code, let the game begin. Welcome to the Dodeka. Yeah. Mirror black gold, trim shine. Every edge feel out of time. Roman rhythm, future play. One long twist, you drift away. No arrows pointing where to go. Just instinct, rhythm flow. Solve it fast or solve it deep. This ain't a puzzle, it don't sleep. No shortcuts, no free ride. Every face got secrets inside. Past and present intertwined. A test of hands, a test of mind. With the Gonzo, Dodeka, yeah. Old world, soul, new design. Turn it slow or race the time. 12 faces, no rewind. With the Gonzo, Dodeka, history locked in a spin. Crack the code, let the game begin. Welcome to the Dodeka. Yeah. They said it was ritual, they said it was mad. They said it was magic, they never cracked the pad.
future gonna do? Solve the past, or let us all you. You're the Gonzo, Dodeka, yeah. From the ruins to the grind, ancient mystery redesign. No center line, no safety sign. Spread the myth, unlock the wind. 12 faces staring back again. The future curves with Dodeka. This is not a speaking. This is a thinking puzzle. This is not a speaking. This is a thinking puzzle.
Buried in the dust of a forgotten age, bronze and stone on a hidden stage. 12 sides staring back at me. No map, no key, just mystery. Scholars guessed, legends lie. Was this shape they couldn't define? Centuries pass, the truth stays tight. Till now, it's back in the light. No center to guide your way. Every move got something to say. Ancient hands, modern mind. This puzzle been space and time. Bird to the Gonzo, Dodeka. Old world, soul, new design. Turn it slow, erase the time. 12 faces, no rewind. To the Gonzo, Dodeka. History locked in a spin. Crack the code, let the game begin. Ooh, welcome to the Dodeka. Tram shine. Every edge feels out of time. Roman riddles, future play. One wrong twist, you drift away. No arrows pointing where to go, just instinct, rhythm flow. Solve it faster, solve it deep. This ain't a puzzle, it don't sleep. No shortcuts, no free ride. Every face got secrets inside. Past and present intertwined. A test of hands, a test of mind. But to the Gonzo, Dodeka. Oh, world, soul, new design. Turn it slow, erase the time. 12 faces, no rewind. Bet the Gonzo, Dodeka. History locked in a spin. Crack the code, let the game begin. Welcome to the Dodeka. Welcome to the Dodeka. They said it was ritual. They said it was math. They said it was magic. They never cried the path. Now it's in your hands. What you gonna do? Solve the past or let it solve you. From the ruins to the grind, ancient mystery design. No center line, no safety sign. Spin a myth, unlock the wind. 12 faces, stare back again. The future turns with Dodeka. This is not the speaking. This is a thinking puzzle. This is not the speaking. This is a thinking puzzle.
Don't slide, hands on the timer, lights glowing red. Silence is heavy, thoughts in my head. A black is the soul, I know every move. The pressure's a way down, starting to lose. I shift just a little, no one will see a fraction of motion, just me being me. But deep in my chest, something don't feel right. Shortcut and shadow won't stand in the light. Don't slide, don't cheat the line. It's only a second, but it isn't mine. I chase a green light, but lost what was true. Now every PB feels broken in two. Don't slide, just let it be. Win it with honor, but don't let it be me. 'Cause time doesn't lie, even if I do. And I'm the one I can't undo. Judge on the side with a look I can't read. Did they just catch it? Did I plant the seed? The cubit's the map. I slam both my hands, but guilt hits harder than any reprimand. +2 on the screen, or maybe a DNL, but it's not the penalty that's taking my breath. It's knowing I crossed something I can't rewind. Slip of the hand, but it stays in my mind. Don't slide, don't blur the start. You're only racing your own damn heart. The crowd might cheer, but inside you'll know that wasn't clear. It was just a show. Don't slide, don't fake the climb. You can't build truth on borrowed time. 'Cause every record you try to defend will whisper the truth. In the end, flat hands, still hands, wait for the green. No ghosts in the motion, no space in between. Live king, stand tall, on every second. Even though slower, it's something respected. So I reset the stack, take a breath, try again. No shortcuts, no shadows, no what if or when. Just me and the cube and the time that I earned. And the lesson it took me too long to learn. Don't slide, don't slide, don't slide.
Welcome to the collective. Speedcubers. Your knowledge will be upgraded.
I pull up with a cube, yeah, the grid's all tight. Green glow on the plastic, got that Borg inside. You saw them with your CF5, think you elite, but we scan your house, now your method out to lead. Cross on the bottom, yeah, we seen that move. LP to LPS, we already improved.
digitized.
You turning at GPS and kill fast with the hands. But we process solutions you don't understand. Inspection time, now we don't need that phase. We predict your scramble before it's displayed. Resistance is futile, me solving as one. Your PB just dropped cause the hive has begun. From scramble to solve in a fraction of time. Assimilate your method, now your cube is mine. Resistance is futile, deflect the code. We optimize and solve every step, every mode. You thought you were fast, but you just got school. Welcome to the board, welcome to the crew. You never rising out, we become the out. Every rotation left, every time evolve. No lockups, no pausing, no hesitation. We eliminate flaws, perfect execution.
One twist, now we correct that state. Parity errors, we annihilate.
Finger tricks clean, but we cleaner still. You practice for years, we download the skills. Speedcube spinning, but it's glowing green. Been clever to go with a cyber machine. The loop set up smooth, yeah, it's kind and nice. But we reduce friction to a quantum flight. We are the We are the permutation, instantly resolved. You chasing something we beyond that tier. Someone solutions every time appear. No AOF needed, no regret delay. We execute perfection every single way. Color neutrality, we don't pick a side. Every face is solved from the borg inside. White cross, yellow cross, it don't even matter. We collapse the scramble like antimatter. Resistance is futile, we solving as one. Your records from quote when the highs begun. From chaos to order in one clean sweep. Assimilation complete, no need to repeat. You will be optimized. Will be so.
The collective is faster.